The greatest tragedy in life is not dying too soon. It is reaching the end of your life and realizing you never truly lived. Many people spend years searching for their purpose. They ask, what am I supposed to do? What is my calling? What if I choose the wrong path? While they search, life quietly passes by. The truth is, purpose is not waiting for you somewhere in the future. Purpose begins the moment you decide to live with intention today. It is found in how you love, how you serve, how you work, how you treat people. Every ordinary day is another opportunity to live the life you were created for. Do not spend your life waiting to discover your purpose. Begin living it. Part 1. Purpose begins where you are. Many people believe purpose starts after the promotion, after the graduation, after they earn more money, after life becomes easier. But purpose has never depended on perfect circumstances. Imagine a seed. It does not wait for perfect weather before it begins to grow. It simply grows where it has been planted. Your purpose works the same way. Stop asking, when will my purpose begin? Start asking, how can I live with purpose today? Part 2. Small acts create a meaningful life. Purpose is rarely found in one extraordinary moment. It is built through ordinary moments repeated with extraordinary intention. A kind word, an honest decision, helping someone without expecting anything in return, keeping your promises, showing up when it would have been easier to stay away. These moments may seem small, but together they become the story of your life. Part 3. Do not chase success, chase significance. Success asks, what can I gain? Purpose asks, who can I help? There is nothing wrong with achieving great things, but the greatest lives are remembered not for what they collected, but for what they contributed. A meaningful life is measured not only by what you accomplish, but by the difference you make. Part 4. Your purpose requires courage. Living with purpose is not always comfortable. Sometimes it means choosing what is right instead of what is easy, standing for your values, forgiving when it hurts, continuing when you feel like quitting. People will often ask you to become the person you were meant to be before you become the person you hope to become. That is why courage is essential. Part 5. Every day is an opportunity. You do not need a different life to begin living your purpose. You only need a different perspective. The next conversation, the next decision, the next act of kindness, the next opportunity to serve. Purpose is not reserved for famous people. It belongs to anyone who chooses to make today meaningful. Every sunrise is another invitation to a life, to live a life that matters. Final chapter, a life that matters. One day, people may forget your achievements. They may forget your job title. They may forget how much money you earned, but they will remember how you made them feel. They will remember your kindness, your integrity, your generosity, your courage. That is your legacy. Do not wait for life to hand you a grand purpose. Live with purpose in the ordinary moments, because extraordinary lives are built one ordinary day at a time. And remember this: purpose is not something you discover once, it is something you choose to live every single day.